Okay. Okay, good afternoon all of you.
Good afternoon.
Had your lunch?
Yes.
Yes, I know you will find it. Okay. Let me introduce myself. Srinivas Gaud Burra, and I am from Chenjala, teacher trainee, government diet, Karimnagar. Okay, are you ready to learn a new topic?
Yes.
Today we are going to learn a new topic which is very useful to us and which is very important in our daily life. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, before going to learn the topic, let me ask some questions. Are you ready to give answers?
Yes.
Okay. Is it drinking water? Okay. It is drinking water. If I add some dust particles in it, then also is it useful for drinking? No. Okay, no. Not for? Drinking. Okay, now we are breathing fresh air in our room, isn't it? Aren't we? Yes. Now we are breathing fresh air in our room, aren't we? Yes. If I burn some polythene covers and plastic in this room, then also can we breathe fresh air? No. Then also that air useful for breathing? No, not for breathing. Okay, today we are going to learn a new topic, that is not for drinking and not for breathing. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, what did you observe in both examples? Pollution. Okay, dust particles polluted the water and smoke of the polythene covers and plastic polluted the air, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, dust particles polluted the water and smoke of the plastic and polythene covers polluted the air. Okay, do you know what is pollution? Yeah, tell me, what is the pollution? Pollution. I think we all know about pollution because by the cause of pollution we are facing many problems in our daily life nowadays, isn't it? Yes, we are facing so many problems in our daily life by the cause of pollution. Okay, which causes pollution? That is known as pollutants. Okay, which causes pollution? That is known as pollutants. Those are known as pollutants. Okay, next, do you know how many types of pollutions are there? 4 types of pollutions are there. What are they? What? How many types of pollutions are there? What are they? What are they? Air pollution, next water pollution, next soil pollution, next sound pollution. How many types of pollutions are there? 4 types. Those are air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution, and sound pollution. Let's know about air pollution. What we are going to discuss? Air pollution. Do you know what is air pollution? Okay, let me tell you. We know air is mixture of gases. Air is mixture of gases, isn't it? Air is mixture of gases. Do you know what are the main gases in air? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, and some other. Do you know how much percentage of nitrogen is there in air? 78% approximately. Next, how much percentage of oxygen is there? 21%. And how much percentage of carbon dioxide is there? 0.033. Okay. Air contains 78 percentage of nitrogen and 21 percentage of oxygen and 0.033 percentage of carbon dioxide. Okay, these all gases always in balanced state. If by any cause, either natural phenomenon or human activities, it disturbs its balanced state, that is known as air pollution. These gases always in balanced state by the cause of either natural phenomenon or human activities. It loses its balanced state and air will be pollutes. Okay, do you understand what is air pollution? Okay, air pollution occurs mainly in two ways. How many ways?
Two ways.
Air pollution occurs mainly in two ways. Do you know what are they? One is natural disasters. What is it? Natural disasters. Second one is human activities. Okay, natural disasters. By the cause of natural disasters, air will be polluted. Let me give some examples. Do you know volcano eruption? Volcano eruption. By the if volcano eruption takes place, some gases and ash releases into air. In that way, air will be pollutes. Okay, do you understand? By the what is the example for natural disasters? Volcano eruptions. Volcano eruptions and forest fires. If forest fires, it releases some carbon particles into air. In that way also, air will be pollutes. Okay, let's see about human activities. Do you know how we pollute air? Okay, we all know how we are polluting air, aren't we? Yes, we are polluting air in so many ways. Okay, let's see. Vehicles. By using of vehicles emit smoke and some gases into air, isn't it? Yes, vehicles emit smoke and some gases into air. In that way, air will be pollute. Okay, usage of vehicles is not a wrong thing. We will use that, but if necessary, we have to use. If there is no necessary for it, we don't use that. We have to reduce the usage of vehicles. In that way, we can control pollution. Okay. Second one is factories. We are establishing so many factories and we are developing industrially in so many ways, aren't we? Yes, we are establishing so many factories and we are developing industrially. But by the factories, we are polluting the air, aren't we? Yes, we are polluting the air. Okay, next. Chlorofluorocarbon. Do you know chlorofluorocarbons?
Yes.
Where we use it? We use chlorofluorocarbons in refrigerators and air conditioners. By the use of chlorofluorocarbons, ozone layer deflects. Okay. By the use of chlorofluorocarbons, ozone layer deflects. Okay. Next, deforestation. Okay, let's see deforestation. Do you know what is deforestation? Cutting off trees. Okay, nowadays we can't see forests because we are occupying forests and cutting trees and we are building factories and some other. Okay, the minimum percentage we should have 33% of forests, but now we have only 19% of percentage of forests. How much we have now? 19% of forests. We are polluting air in so many ways, but we have to control the pollution. It's our duty. Okay? Okay, thank you. What have we learned today? Not for drinking, not for breathing. In that we have discussed about pollution and types of pollutions, and we have known air pollution and percentage of gases, and we learned about natural disasters and human activities. Thank you.